Solid. Gilly's precious driveway. Does look pretty darn good. Ship it. Well, here's a little bonus footage. Again, just when you think I'm done with this. So this thing is rattling and whatnot, and it's got to it just in time. It's being held on by one rusted thing. So I'm gonna try to remove them and then put new bolts with a washer. And okay, I used the grinding wheel and ground off. Actually, I bent these babies down so I could get access to grind off the rusted bolt. And now I'm just gonna move these back flat like that. There we go. And then just get some big washers and a new nut and secure that. So this is all it is, just a bolt with some washers big enough to catch that. This is, a screw goes there, washer, and a nut. Tighten it down. And that's basically it. That's solid. Another issue fixed. Comp, no charge.
The more freebies, the better!
Here's another freebie for my cousin. His car did not have the bottom splash shield. So I went to, I think Parts Geek is where I eventually got this. And we'll give him a splash shield. I'll figure out how this goes in. So his car is complete. I mean, he's paying for it anyway. It's not really a freebie, but freebie labor, I suppose.
Well, I suppose.
Well, there it is. The final step. Aftermarket splash shield. It's in there solid. It will do good. And any little tiny oil leaks that there may be, which I don't think there are, this will stop it from dripping on Gilly's precious driveway. So the last thing from my lovely cousin, one more freebie, because I know he likes freebies. Don't you, Vinny?
The more freebies, the better!
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm gonna clean up headlights. So nice, crisp, and clear. I'm starting with a 400 grit just to get off the real top layer. Gonna wet this down with soapy water. Let's see what happens. 600 grit. 800. Let's do 1,000. 1,500. 2,000. 2,000. 3,000. 5,000. Yikes. 10,000. This is the last one. This all came with the kit. Oops. Meguiar's polish. Closer look. I'll say much better. Much, much better. For this side, I'm gonna try my usual method, which is the same basic process, but I use good like 3M made for wet sanding. And I do it by hand, and then I finish with a rubbing compound and then the polish. Good 3M quality wet dry sanding. 800, 1,000 grit. Good 3M, 2,000 grit. And these are like foam pads. Then the last one, the 5,000 grit. Now I'm just rinsing with clear, no soap water. And this is what I normally use, just my standard buffer. Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. All right, that does look nice, I won't lie. I'm gonna do one more. All right, Whew. Let's get you in for a closer look.
Ooh.
So, different angles. Not brand new, but certainly way, way, way clearer and not as cloudy. This side too. So, I'm calling these, another 95% solution. Well, this is concluding the freebie section of the story of this Mazda. Goodbye. There it is. Done and done. And as we say in the business, ship it.
Is filled with coupons. His thermos blue is filled with tea. The nighttime maid threw out his crumb cake, and on the desk's a picture of me. The boardroom notes are drawn in marker. The foreign owners on TV. They're selling off the plant tomorrow, and on the desk's a...
He, him!